Hi everyone, I'm Gemma Alcock and I'm the founder and CEO of SkyBound Rescuer, and I've been one of the judges for this year's Airwards. I was so honoured to join the team of judges because firstly Airwards are recognising all of the amazing positive use cases for drones around the world. But also in 2018 I won a global award that gave me the recognition and confidence that got me to where I am today. So I understand the impact that Airwards is going to have on an individual or organisation. So it gives me great pleasure to now announce my most favourite category of all, Emergency Response and Search and Rescue. And the winner is AV for Wildfire Prevention and Control. Congratulations, very well deserved.
On behalf of the whole team of AV, thank you for this award. My name is Patrick and I'm the founder of AV, and I founded AV with the single purpose to make impact. And doing good is in our DNA. The last couple of years we've been working really hard together with the Dutch Fire Brigade to create drones for first response uses and for life-saving applications. So we see this award as a great reward for all the effort we put into this project. So thanks again, and this is just the beginning.